When I came up from out of the meat locker, the city was gone. The sky's full of lights. The snow provides a silent cover in moonlight. Under the stars, under the snow, and I follow this car, and I follow that car through the sand, through the snow. I turn on the radio, I listen to the DJ, and it must feel nice. It must feel nice. It must feel nice to know that somebody needs you. And everything moves slow. Under the stars, under the ash, through the sand, and the night drifts in. The snow provides a silent cover, and I'm not your favorite lover. I turn on the radio, and it must feel nice. It must feel nice. Oh, very, very nice to know that somebody needs you. And the chilly wind blows under the snow, under the stars. The whispering DJ on the radio, whispering DJ on the radio. I'm not your favorite lover. I'm not your favorite lover. And it must feel nice. It must feel nice to leave no trace, no trace at all. But somebody needs you. Oh, oh, and that somebody is me, babe. Under the stars, under the snow. Your eyes were closed. You were playing with the buttons on your coat. Got that car moving under the stars, moving. I stepped out of the St. James Hotel. I left you behind, curled up like a child. The change is gonna come. The door whispered shut. I walked on down the high windowed hall. You lay sleeping on the unmade bed. The weatherman on the television in the St. James Hotel said that the rains are gonna come. And I stepped out on the streets, all sparkling clean with the early morning dew. Maybe it was you and maybe it was me. You came on like a punch in the heart. You lying there with the light on your hair, like a Jesus of the moon, a Jesus of the planets and the stars. Well, I kept thinking about what the weatherman said. And if the voices of the living can be heard by the dead, well, the day is gonna come when we find out. In some kind of way, I take a little comfort from that now and then. 'Cause people often talk about being scared of change. But for me, I'm more afraid of things staying the same. 'Cause the game is never won by standing in any one place for too long. Maybe it was you and maybe it was me. There's a chord in you that I could not find to strike. You lying there with all the light in your hair, like a Jesus of the moon, the Jesus of the planets and the stars. I see the many girls walking down the empty streets. Maybe once or twice one of them smiles at me. You can't blame anyone for saying hello. I say hey, say hello, say hello. Will it be me or will it be you? One must stay and one depart. You lying there in the St. James Hotel bed like a Jesus of the moon, the Jesus of the planets and the stars. Say hello, hello, hello. So we had, we didn't. What we have now will never be that way again. So we call upon the author to explain. Now mixamatoid kids spraddle the streets. We've shunned them from the greasy grind. The poor little things, they look so sad and old as they mount us from behind. I ask them to desist and to refrain, and then we call upon the author to explain. Well, rosary clutched in his hand, he died with tubes up his nose, and a cabal of angels with finger symbols chanted his name in code. We shook our fists at the punishing rain, and we called upon the author to explain. Everything is messed up round here, everything is banal and jejune. There's a planetary conspiracy against the likes of you and me in this idiot constituency of the moon. Well, he knew exactly who to blame.